Tongbu Steel, steel mill with the largest electric arc furnace in Korea. The competitiveness of Tongbu Steel is derived from having a mill which utilizes the most current steelmaking technologies, and we proudly present it to be the world's largest electric furnace steel mill. Unlike with a blast furnace operation, our electric arc furnace is an eco-friendly mill that uses scrap metal as its raw material to cut the production costs and gas emissions. As a result, we succeeded in reducing gas emissions, noise, and energy consumption by utilizing this Con-Steel method of steelmaking. The availability of scrap metal for our Korean steel mill is not only high, but its supply is very stable and the lead time for availability is short. The quality of our steel produced from this technology is excellent, allowing Tongbu Steel to be able to supply industries which demand excellent quality steel like those used in automotive bodies. Through our electric arc furnace steelmaking business, we are confident that providing our own hot-rolled coils with lower production costs will enhance our competitiveness in our downstream of cold-rolled steel businesses. Based on our state-of-the-art electric furnace operation, we are making progress to become one of the world's leading steel mills, with plant capacity increases to reach over 10 million tons per year. Tongbu Steel is now